We jump in our cars every day, often without a second thought. We turn the key, feel the engine roar to life, and hit the gas, ready to embark on our journeys. But have you ever stopped to think about what it takes to build a car? The effort, the precision, the innovation. It's a fascinating journey from a simple idea to a complex machine, a marvel of modern engineering. Join me as we go behind the scenes and explore the intricate world of automotive manufacturing where every detail matters. It's a symphony of technology, engineering, and human craftsmanship, all working in perfect harmony. We'll witness the transformation of raw materials into the sleek vehicles we see on the road, a process that is nothing short of magical. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the heart of car production. From the initial design sketches where creativity meets functionality to the final quality checks ensuring perfection, we'll uncover the secrets behind this incredible process. We'll see how robots and humans work in perfect harmony, each playing a crucial role in the creation of a car. We'll learn about the precision and dedication required at every step, from the smallest bolt to the largest frame. Buckle up and get ready to explore the fascinating world of car manufacturing, where innovation meets tradition and dreams become reality. It all starts with an idea. Designers sketch their visions, dreaming up the next generation of automobiles. These initial concepts are then translated into digital blueprints using sophisticated computer-aided design (CAD) software. Engineers step in, ensuring the design is both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. They analyze every curve and contour. They factor in aerodynamics, safety regulations, and performance goals. The CAD model is meticulously refined. This digital blueprint becomes the roadmap for the entire manufacturing process. It's a fusion of artistry and engineering. The design team pores over every detail. They consider the needs of the driver and passengers. They strive to create a vehicle that is not only visually appealing but also functional and safe. This stage is crucial. It lays the foundation for the entire manufacturing journey. With the digital design finalized, the real action begins. This is where the virtual world meets the physical and the car starts to take shape in the real world. Giant rolls of sheet metal arrive at the factory, each one destined to become part of a new vehicle. These massive coils weigh several tons, a testament to the sheer scale of automotive manufacturing. They are fed into powerful presses, machines designed to handle the immense weight and transform it into something new. These presses are marvels of engineering, capable of exerting incredible force with pinpoint accuracy. They exert thousands of tons of force, enough to shape the toughest materials with ease. The presses slam down with incredible power, each strike a precise and controlled movement. They transform the flat metal sheets into recognizable car parts, each piece a crucial component of the final vehicle. Fenders, doors, hoods and roofs are stamped into shape with astonishing speed and precision, ensuring every part fits perfectly. Each strike of the press brings the car one step closer to reality, turning raw materials into a finished product. The stamping process is a ballet of power and precision, a choreographed dance of machinery and metal. The dies used in the presses are works of art in themselves, crafted with incredible detail and precision. They are meticulously crafted to ensure every curve and contour is faithfully reproduced, capturing the designer's vision perfectly. The air fills with the roar of the presses, a symphony of industrial sounds that signal progress. Sparks fly as metal meets die, a dramatic display of the forces at work. It's a mesmerizing spectacle of industrial might, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of modern engineering. Now the individual stamped parts are ready to be joined together. This is where the car body truly starts to take shape. Skilled workers and automated robots work in unison. They weld the body panels together with pinpoint accuracy. Sparks fly as metal fuses with metal. The welding process is a critical stage. It ensures the structural integrity of the vehicle. Each weld point is carefully calculated to withstand the stresses and strains of driving. The robots move with balletic grace. Their welding arms dance across the car body. Human workers provide the finishing touches, ensuring the welds are flawless. The air crackles with energy as the robots work their magic. It's a testament to the collaboration between human expertise and technological advancement. The once separate pieces of metal are now becoming a unified whole. Section 5. A splash of color. Painting the automotive canvas. The car body, now structurally complete, enters the paint shop. This is where it gets its personality. The body is first thoroughly cleaned and prepped. Any imperfections are smoothed out. Then a primer coat is applied to create a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to. Next comes the base coat, the actual color of the car. Finally, a clear coat is applied to add shine and protection. The paint shop is a world of vibrant colors and meticulous attention to detail. The air is filled with the scent of paint and solvents. Skilled technicians monitor every step of the process. They ensure the paint is applied evenly and flawlessly. The car emerges from the paint shop transformed, ready to receive its heart and soul. Section 6. The heart of the beast engine and transmission installation. This is a critical stage in the manufacturing process. The engine and transmission are carefully lowered into the engine bay. These complex assemblies, often referred to as the heart and brain of the car, are the result of countless hours of engineering. Skilled technicians connect the engine and transmission to the car's various systems, including the fuel lines, exhaust system, and electrical system. Precision is paramount. Every bolt must be tightened to the correct torque. Every connection must be secure. The air is filled with the clatter of tools and the hum of machinery. It's a carefully choreographed dance of precision and expertise. The car is coming alive, piece by piece. It's almost ready to roar to life. Section 7. Creature Comforts Interior Assembly. This is where the magic happens, transforming raw materials into a cohesive and comfortable environment. The car's interior is where form meets function. Workers meticulously install the dashboard, ensuring that every component is perfectly aligned and securely fastened. Next, they move on to the seats, which are designed for both comfort and safety. Door panels are carefully attached, adding to the aesthetic and functional aspects of the car. All the other components that make up the car's interior are then installed, each piece playing a crucial role in the overall design. This is a complex and intricate process requiring precision and attention to detail at every step. It involves routing wiring harnesses, connecting electrical components, and ensuring that all systems are integrated seamlessly. Every part must fit perfectly, leaving no room for error. This precision ensures the car's interior is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The interior of the car is gradually transformed from a bare shell into a welcoming and comfortable space, ready to provide a pleasant driving experience. Workers pay attention to every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the alignment of the dashboard. They ensure that every button is within easy reach, enhancing the driver's control and comfort. They make sure that every surface is pleasing to the touch, using high-quality materials that add to the car's luxurious feel. The air is filled with the sounds of air tools, the rustling of carpets being laid down, and the snapping of plastic trim pieces into place. Each trim piece is carefully installed, adding the final touches to the car's interior. The car is beginning to feel complete, a testament to the countless hours of labor and dedication. This process is a testament to the countless hours of labor and the dedication of the workers. It is the combined efforts of hundreds of skilled workers, each contributing their expertise to create a vehicle that is both functional and beautiful. Section 8. The final inspection, ensuring quality and safety. The car is now nearing the end of its journey through the factory. But before it can be shipped off to a dealership, it must undergo a series of rigorous tests. This is the final hurdle, the last chance to catch any imperfections. The car is put through its paces on a test track. Its engine, brakes, and suspension are put to the test. Inspectors scrutinize every inch of the car, looking for any flaws or defects. Only when it passes every test with flying colors is it deemed ready for the open road. The inspection process is a testament to the uncompromising commitment to quality and safety. It's the final seal of approval, the guarantee that the car meets the highest standards of excellence. Section 9. Ready to roll shipping to dealerships. The finished car, having passed all inspections, is now ready for its journey to the dealership. It's carefully loaded onto a transporter truck. It's secured in place for the journey. Soon it will be on display in a showroom, ready to meet its new owner. The sight of the transporter truck filled with gleaming new cars is a reminder of the incredible journey that has just taken place. It's a journey that started with a simple idea. It culminated in a complex and sophisticated machine. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the magic of manufacturing. Section 10, the Symphony of Manufacturing, appreciating the journey. So, the next time you see a car on the road, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has been on. From the initial design sketches to the final quality checks, it's a testament to human ingenuity, technological advancement, and the power of collaboration. It's a symphony of engineering, a ballet of robotics, a masterpiece of manufacturing. It's a reminder that even the most complex machines are the result of countless hours of human effort and dedication. And it all starts with a simple idea, a spark of inspiration, a dream of mobility.